Hello everyone. So here you will be seeing how to write the coding for the web technology programs, means how can we develop the web pages and all. So we are going to start with the basic and the first and the foremost web program or the HTML program, I can say. For that you will be requiring the notepad. So I will be searching the notepad in my search bar here. So notepad is opened over here. So you can see here I will be writing the first text or the code for my execution of the code of your HTML code. Okay. So doc type is one of the declaration, I can say, that is used in the HTML5 for documentation purpose. This is the first and the foremost line, and then followed by the HTML. These are the paired tags. Okay. HTML followed by the closing of the HTML tag. Next, followed by the head section and the body section. So, I will be writing my head part over here. Head is also a paired tag with its closing head, and finally the body tag. Okay. So basically any of the HTML program will be of this format where it will be enclosed inside the main HTML tags. Okay. So these are the two subtags of your HTML tag. That is, one is the head tag, the other is the body tag, I can say. Now, inside the head tag, you will be having the subtag called as title, where I will be giving the title of my web page. So here I will give my title as my first HTML page. Okay, so this I want to display in my title of the browser. So the closing of the title, this is also the paired tag. And inside the body, you will be writing respective other tags, whatever you require. So this is how you will be writing the code of your HTML. Hope it is clear to you. My first heading, I can say here. My first heading, and here paragraph tag. So you will be writing my first paragraph. Okay. Rather than this, you can write any of the paragraph in the form of a paragraph as well. While practicing, you can practice in that form. Okay, so this is just the basic I want to show you. My first HTML web page, how it will be created. So points to remember over here. Here it will be starting with the doc type as my title, or it is also understood as the documentation for your HTML page. So it will be enclosed between the HTML opening tag and the closing. These are the main tags. Without this, our HTML code will not be run. And you cannot see the text or the code inside your browser as your web page. And two more important tags are your head tag and the body tag. Inside the head tag, title, that should be displayed on the title of your web page. It will be written over here. And coming to the body section, various other aspects, whatever you want to display on your web page, everything will be coming over here in the body tag. So I have considered here only two tags for explanation purpose and for the basics. Then now the next step is for saving. So I will be saving my file, naming it as first, and the extension we are going to use here as .html. Very important point, you have to search the location where you are going to save it. Okay, so I will be using, sorry, I'll be creating here one drive for it, and I will be saving it into it. So I saved my HTML page, extension to be remembered as .html. So you can see the file name over here has been replaced by first. Now I want to see the code in the browser. So where do I see it? So again, where you have saved it inside your drive called as RB WebTech. So there you can see just now we have created this file, and now when I double click onto it, you will be able to see what is my title. My first heading, and my title is my first HTML page. This was the title I gave in my title bar. Okay. And this is my heading, and this is my first paragraph. So this is how we will be creating the HTML files. Hope it is clear to you, the first and the very foremost example to you all. So practice it. Once you practice, then it will be very, very clear.